Then what we need to define the events, right, and errors. Let's just modify these events. Member added. If any member is added in the group, then we should know like who is added. So for that, we would have a member added event and the who, which is going to be account ID, right? Also, same thing we can do it for member remove, who got removed, account ID, right? So we have defined the events also. Then next part is the error, right? This error we'll see when we code the function. Now we have a functions to implement. First we have add member, right? Then second we have remove member, and third I have a access to exit the group, right? So these three functions will implement. Okay, so these functions we call as dispatchable calls. We'll see where we can call this. Okay, now this function we are saying that sudo is only sudo is able to perform this task, right? Okay, for that just comment one, check the origin should be sudo, right? How to check if the origin is sudo or not? For that we have ensure root, right? This will check the origin is sudo or not. If it is sudo, then let's just pass the origin first. Origin, and let's just make clone of it. And if it is not a sudo, then we'll return it from here by this. We've seen this in the rush sessions, right? If is there any error occur here, then we just return it from here and we return the error. Okay, so we have checked the origin. Now let's just check. Uh, let's assume we have already some users in the group, right? First, what we'll do is we'll just get all the users from that group and add this member into the group. For that, what we do is let mute, because why we are making this mute, because we need to add a new member in this group, right? Let mute scale members equal to scale members get. So this call we have seen in last session. To get the value from the storage value, we use a get function, right? Now a club member have all the user uh, which is present in the group. Okay, let's just do one thing. Let's get the location of a new member which is going to be added. For that, we'll club member dot binary search, and yet now want to get the location for who is what new user, right? And let's say if it is already present in the group, then what we'll do, we'll just return the error dot okay or errors already member. Where we have defined this, we have defined this here, already member, right? The user is already a member of group, then we just return this error. And how we return this? By question mark, right? Okay, now we got the location and we have the vector of users. Now what we'll do, we'll just insert the new member, club member dot insert. First is location and then the value, right? Now this vector have all the users with a new user, right? Okay, then we need to store this club member to the storage that we have a club members, right? Club member. So to store the data in the storage value, we'll use put and pass club member. Now at last we'll like code for the events. What happens in this function? For that we need to define self and deposit event event. This should be generic member added and we pass the who. As we are passing the who here for the use of moved value. So what happened here is the value of who is already moved to club member, right? So to remove this error, what we'll do is we just make a copy here and yeah. Okay, let's just compile this code. For compiling, we use cargo build dash wheels.